Hello, good morning, students. Uh, Today we discuss numericals or the numerical problems on ray optics. So to begin with, number one, a tank is filled with water to a height of 12.5 centimeter. The apparent depth of the needle lying at the bottom of the tank is measured by a microscope to be 9.4 centimeter. What is the refractive index of water? If water is replaced by a liquid of refractive index 1.63 up to the same height, by what distance would the microscope have to be moved to focus on the needle again? So, before we go for the solution, there is one regular practical wherein you will be using the traveling microscope and determine the refractive index of a glass slab. So, instead of glass slab, here water is given, water filled in a vessel. So, here I have considered a vessel. A needle is placed at the bottom of the vessel. This is the traveling microscope which is provided with vernier scale and main scale. With the rack and pinion arrangement, the screw provided with the microscope, traveling microscope, we can focus this needle and we can take the reading of the traveling microscope R1. Let this R1 be 2 centimeter. When this vessel is filled with water, though the pin is lying at the bottom of the vessel, for an observer viewing normally, the pin appears to be raised due to normal refraction. So, O is the object, I is the image of the pin. So, pin appears to be raised through some height, and that height through which the pin appears to be raised it is called normal shift. As soon as the vessel is filled with water, the pin what we have focused with the traveling microscope will go out of focus. Once again, to focus the pin, the traveling microscope has to be raised using the rack and pinion arrangement or the screw. When the microscope is raised through some height, once again the needle gets focused. Thereby we take the reading of the traveling microscope, that is R2. Let the R2 be 3 centimeter. So in other words, the pin appears to be raised through a height of say 1 centimeter. The microscope is also moved 1 centimeter in a upward direction. Then a little chalk powder is sprinkled over the surface of the water, and this chalk powder is to be focused with a traveling microscope. So the traveling microscope further it is raised to focus the chalk powder, and once the chalk powder gets focused, we take the reading on the traveling microscope, that R3 as a R3. Let this R3 be 6 centimeter. So without water R1, with water R2 when needle is focused. When chalk powder is focused with the traveling microscope, we take the reading R3. So R3 minus R1 gives us the real depth of the needle from the surface of the water. So real depth is R3 minus R1. R3 minus R2 gives us the apparent depth. Okay, due to normal refraction, the pin appears to be raised. That's why the apparent depth is less than the real depth. So apparent depth is calculated by taking the difference between R3 and R2. So with these numbers, R3 being 6, R2 3, R1 2 centimeter, R3 minus R1 amounts to 4 centimeter, R3 minus R2 3 centimeter. So real depth is a 4 centimeter, apparent depth is 3 centimeter, normal shift is 1 centimeter. So real depth by apparent depth, if you take the ratio, we'll get the refractive index of water as 1.33. So coming to the solution of the given problem. So in the first case, the vessel is filled with water. The same way the R1, R2, R3 three readings are taken. The real depth as given in the problem, it is a 12.5 centimeter. Apparent depth is also given, that is a 9.4 centimeter. So the refractive index of water they have asked to calculate. Refractive index of water is real depth by apparent depth. Taking the ratio, we get refractive index of water as 1.33. When this water is replaced with a given liquid of refractive index 1.63. So as a refractive index increases, the apparent depth decreases. So here the apparent depth in case of liquid is less than the real apparent depth in the case of vessel filled with water. So thereby what we calculate is refractive index of liquid NL is real depth RD dash divided by apparent depth AD dash. So here the liquid is also filled to the same height, in the sense real depth is the same as 12.5 centimeter. Refractive index of liquid is given, then we'll calculate the apparent depth of the needle placed in the vessel. So apparent depth is equals to real depth by refractive index of the liquid. Real depth is 12.5, refractive index is 1.63. The apparent depth comes out to be 7.67 centimeter. So as refractive index increases, apparent depth decreases. So when the water is replaced with a liquid, the pin will go out of focus. Then the microscope has to be readjusted to focus the needle. Then the shift in the microscope has to be raised through some height once again to focus the needle vessel filled with the liquid. The shift in the microscope is given by apparent depth as in the case of water minus apparent depth as in the case of liquid filled in the vessel. 9.4 minus 7.67, which comes out to be 1.73 centimeter. So the microscope has to be moved through a height of 1.73 centimeter in upward direction once again to focus the needle when the vessel is filled with liquid instead of water. So the next problem is figure A and B. Figure A and B show refraction of a ray in air incident at a 60 degree with the normal to a glass air and water air interface respectively. Predict the angle of refraction in glass when the angle of incidence in water is 45 degree with the normal to a water glass interface, that is a figure C. So here we have given three figures. In figure A, figure B, figure C. In figure A, the light is traversing from air to glass. The angle of incidence is given 60 degree, angle of refraction is given, that is 35 degree. According to Snell's law, refractive index of a glass with respect to the air medium, Ng equals to sin I by sin R. That's why I have written here sin 60 by sin 35. In a figure B, for refraction of light, light is traversing from air to water, rarer to denser. After refraction, the light bends towards the normal. The angle of incidence is given 60 degree, angle of refraction is given, that is a 47 degree. Here, refractive index of water with respect to air, it is refractive index of water NW sin I by sin R, which is sin 60 by sin 47. In the figure C, the light is traversing from water to glass. Water is optically rarer medium, glass is optically denser medium. So in the sum, they are asked to calculate the angle of refraction for a light traversing from water to glass. Angle of incidence is given, it is a 45 degree. So refractive index, these are the two cases for absolute refractive indices, whereas this is the relative refractive index of glass with respect to water, refractive index of glass with respect to water. Light is advancing from a water medium to glass medium, that is a rarer medium to denser medium. After refraction, it bends towards the normal. Angle of incidence is given 45 degree. Angle of refraction is to be determined. For that, refractive index of a glass with respect to water, we write it as NGW. So already we have derived a relation between a relative refractive index and the absolute refractive indices. So relative refractive index of glass with respect to water is equals to the absolute refractive index of glass divided by absolute refractive index of water. Then from Snell's law, sin I by sin R, sin I is 45, R is to be determined. So we can rewrite this expression to determine R, that is angle of refraction for light traversing from water to glass. Therefore sin R equals to sin 45 NW by NG, or sin R equals to sin 45 NW we have taken here sin 60 by sin 47, NG is sin 60 by sin 35. Sin 60 get cancelled here, so we will be left with the sin R equals to sin 45 into sin 35 divided by sin 47. You have to refer to the natural science table and you have to get the values of sin 45, sin 35, sin 47. On simplification, it amounts to 0.6181. So sin R equals to 0.6181. R equals to sin inverse of this value. That also you have to determine using natural science table. Thereby we get the angle of refraction. R is equals to 38 degree for a light traversing from water to glass. Thank you.